This is my MBVS fig tree, and what I found down in the pot from this tree is something you're not going to believe. So, way back sometime in the spring, I believe it was April, I was pruning a bunch of my fig trees, one of which was this MBVS fig tree. After I cleaned up all the wood, it would seem I left a small piece behind. I didn't even see it until about late July, hiding right in front of me. This little piece of cutting, the same color as the planting medium, all camouflaged. This little piece of wood had rooted all over and even put on a new leaf. There are all kinds of fig rooting methods and techniques out there, and here we have this little guy with no effort just decided to start growing on his own. No parafilm, no humidity domes, nothing. Just sitting in the pot for like 3 months. So, of course, I had to save it. It's getting ready to sprout roots all over, bumps everywhere. Where the leaf came out of is a little odd for the pot I was using, but it should be okay on an angle like that. And anyways, it won't be in this small pot for long. I will pot it up very soon. By the way, if you want to see my wintertime rooting cuttings video, I will leave a link in the description. Funny thing, after potting this thing up and watering it, I accidentally hit the pot while watering with the hose and knocked out all the potting mix out of it. I'm pretty sure I broke off a bunch of roots, but I quickly picked up everything and put it all back together. I was actually worried about this thing, but sure enough, this tough little guy still made it and survived. And here it is now. It's not growing really fast, I guess, from all the action, but I know sooner or later it will grow to be a big, fig-giving MBVS tree.